Ecosystem and structure of ecosystem. An environment composed of with physical and the biological components are called as ecosystem. It is an integrated study of living and non-living components as well as their interactions in ecosystem. In other words, ecosystem analysis the action and interaction between the biotic and abiotic components with each other. Meaning, ecosystem derives from two Greek words. Eco means environment and systema means interaction. A limited space with living beings, interaction with non-living matters at high level of interdependency to form an environmental units called as ecosystem. On a large scale, ecosystem has been defined on the basis of geographical extent. There are known as biomes, for example, Arctic and prairies. On a smaller scale, ecosystem refers spatial dimensions and precise soil conditions with the interaction among components, for example, dunes and mountains. Evolution of the concept. There are many scholars has been coined the different terms to describe the ecosystem. Alexander von Humboldt called as ecological biodiversity. Ernest Haeckel ecology, Karl Mobius bionosis, Stephen Forbes microcosm, Vladimir Sukuchev geobioconosis, Vladimir Vernadsky biosopherna, Carl Friedrichs Holocene, Arthur G. Tansley ecosystem, Thiemann biosystem. Among these 9 concepts, the ecosystem term has been widely accepted by the scholars. Until today, we are using the same term. The ecosystem structure is organized composition of the biological communities and the physical components. They are constituting the structure of an ecosystem. The two major units are the components of ecosystems are biotic and the abiotic elements. Abiotic elements, the physical and the chemical components of the ecosystem leads the combination of abiotic elements. They are geographical features, mountains, plains, valleys, and others on the lithosphere, oceans, rivers, and many other water bodies from the hydrosphere. Edaphic elements, soils, rock, minerals, and the metallic ores. Climatical conditions, temperature, rainfall, humidity, precipitation, and other phenomena. Chemical components, oxygen, carbon, and many other gases which are present in the atmosphere. Organic matters, waste discharged from the organisms. Biotic components are categorized into 4 groups. First one, autotrophs. The green plants are called as autotrophs are the producers. They are goes under the synthesis process for the food production. There are 2 categories. Phototrophs consumes solar light and heat to produce the food, and they are called as the process is called as photosynthesis. For example, green plants. Chemotrophs, some plants produces food through the oxidation with certain chemical reactions, but absence of the sunlight and heat are called as the chemotrophs, and this is known as chemosynthesis. For example, plants at ocean floor. The second category, that is heterotrophs, the organisms depend on other living beings for the food, are called as consumers or the heterotrophs. Herbivorous feed directly on the plants are the producers. Example, deer. Carnivorous, they are feed on the herbivorous animal, for example, frog. Omnivorous, these category feed on both plants and animals. Fox is a best example. Detrivorous, these are feed on the plants of dead organisms or the waste from the living beings. Ants. Transformers, some kind of living beings attack and occupy the bodies of living beings and extract the nutrients from their survival. At the same time, they are the means to carry nutrients from one area to another level. For example, beetle, insects, and bacteria. Septrotrophs derives the nutrient from by breaking down the complex organic molecules to simplify the organic compounds and simplify organic compounds into inorganic nutrients. For example, bacteria. In all other ecosystem, there are biotic elements are dominating. Thank you.